So everything you need is already within you, right? So you don't have to go try to put something from the outside in, right? So as within, so without, as above, so below. Today is a very auspicious day. It's Bomani's birthday.
Thank you, family.
Yeah, like it's Bomani's solar return. It's the 31st of October. Bomani creates it such that he's at home every birthday for 10 years. Almost?
Yes.
He travels. So like a 1 and a 2 and you know what to do. Happy birthday to you. Little out. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bomani. Happy birthday, my brother. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hey, it's your birthday. Yeah, give that brother a round of applause. Yeah. Whoa. What a way to bring it in, huh? Let's hear for the birthday too.
Yes, thank you, family. Appreciate the love and energy. And we're gonna do a nice jam tonight. You can come out and socialize with us. We got the cards, the dominoes, all those wonderful things. So, where's the mic? So
when are you going to cut your cake?
No cake. We're socializing. It's all about networking. So yes, family, let's get our network on and keep it going. But I appreciate the love from everybody. Appreciate the tunes.
Yeah. Look. Hey, look. Something out. Check. Yeah. So Bomani's gonna be dancing, getting his swerve on, boogieing down with the ladies. Bomani's birthday is special because he's special. And the day you were born, the time you were born, and the geographical place you were born in is special too. You're special too. And to the degree that it reflects back, because we are one, just like Franklin Beverly say, we won, baby. We are one. And Bomani's birthday is an opportunity for us to celebrate ourselves and him as one. So I'm gonna get mad at him, I'm telling y'all straight up, okay? I'm gonna party with his brother. I'm gonna celebrate his life every day because he's been such a blessing, and you have Bomani in my life. And I thank God for your commitment, your dedication, and your ability to focus in and get things done such that we can create spaces for us to show up and celebrate our motherland. So, little Bomani, today's your daddy's birthday. Okay? So do you want to come up? Do you want me to give you the microphone? Come up. Because birthday, little children know how to celebrate a lot of things. That's why I'm a little children. You know, like dance like no one's watching and party like you just don't care. Get in where you can fit it in because tomorrow isn't promised. So your daddy is celebrating his birthday. And you know, I know you want to say something to him. So look at your dad and all the world out there and tell your dad happy birthday or whatever you want to say to your daddy because he's your daddy. And that's how you got here. So happy birthday. You want to sing the birthday song? What do you want to say? Daddy got a birthday, how do you know? Tootsie, Tootsie Daddy, yo, cause you told me. Tootsie, Tootsie Daddy. Happy birthday.
So I'm shy this morning.
You want some cake?
I'm shy this morning.
I like your sunglasses, very nice. So, you give him a hug and...
Say hello everybody, say hello everybody.
World.
Have a good day. Have a good day.
Sister's gonna say happy birthday. Give it to Auntie, she'll tell him. Auntie's gonna say, you can say something, please. You can stand, sister.
Happy birthday to my brother.
Appreciate you, sister.
Yes, wish you many, 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 many more. I appreciate you very, very much. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be here on this trip.
Absolutely
and to
welcome.
Celebrate with you.
Yes.
Absolutely, definitely welcome. Appreciate the energy. And Bomani, thank
Happy
you.
birthday, Daddy.
Thank you.
Yeah, he said happy birthday. Did anyone else want to come up at this time and bless Bomani with your birthday gift and word? I think that would be really kind of creative and cool because we all have our different ways of expressing birthdays, or even some may not even like celebrate per se, but if there's something that you want to acknowledge Bomani around on this day, that might be appropriate too, or with the microphone. Thank you, my beloved.
Give thanks. I just want to say, Bomani, thank you. Happy birthday and thank you. I mean, that's just my word to you.
I appreciate the love, sister.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you, Rose. Oh, yes.
Happy birthday, boss.
Appreciate you, brother.
I just want to say happy birthday to you. And usually in the Caribbean, in the Rasta religion, we say happy bird strong.
Bird strong. Earth strong.
You know, it's a time to replenish, to reflect, and everything. And also, I want to thank you for the opportunity and staying on the phone with me always, feeding me with a lot of information and everything to make this possible. So you are a blessing, and you need to enjoy this special day each and every day, and to grow bigger and better and be blessed spiritually.
Absolutely, sister. Thank you very
So
much.
beautiful. Next, anybody? Yes, please. I'm gonna come down.
You're putting folks on the spot today?
Well, no, they're reaching for the mic. They're actually reaching for the mic.
Perfect.
Don't put people on the spot. We create spaces to give people opportunity to step out of their comfort zone.
Bomani, happy Earth Day. It's your day on this earth, the day that you came to us. So grateful that you are a part of this world and make such a difference that we would not be here without you. So.
Well, thank you for your support, sister, and
Absolutely, thank you.
and continuous energy.
Happy birthday, Bomani. Thank you so much for this great opportunity here in Ghana. We wish you a happy birthday and many, many more.
I appreciate you.
Happy birthday, brother.
Thank you
for the opportunity to come up in a comfortable environment.
Thanks.
So good to you.
Thanks for the energy, and definitely thanks for the support. Because without Sassine passing me the mic,
Yes.
appreciate everybody supporting energy. Because without everyone's support here, we wouldn't be having such a fabulous journey. Because it took everybody combined effort, especially financially, to be able to cover and make everything work. So once again, family, thanks for your continued support. And we're gonna keep on building and going stronger.
Yeah. And so the mic may not stretch as far back as the people want to come up, but nobody's being necessarily. Yeah.
I just want to say happy birthday and many, many more. And don't put me up so high.
Oh, absolutely.
No, thank you. Yeah, T. Come.
I just want to say happy birthday, Brother Bomani. I know that you're younger than I am, but you are mature beyond imagination. Thank you so much for hooking us up. Last year, before we came, we had a beautiful time in Amsterdam. We got to see what was going on upriver before we came downriver. And this time we had an opportunity to go to London and had a wonderful Black London tour where I met a really wonderful brother who talked about, shared with us all the riches that were taken from Africa and really that helped to enrich London and England. And it was really enlightening. So thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you, family. Thanks for bringing your family back twice.
Yes. Way through.
So
My sister.
Can you hear me? Yeah. Okay. So last night this song came to me. I was in choir, so I just want to say a few verses, and you all know the song, but I don't. It just became really clear to me last night. So.
Turn around. Come on. Turn around out of the way. Thank you.
When I think of home, I think of a place where there is love overflowing. I wish I was home. I wish I was back there with the things I've been knowing. this song.
Yeah, we do.
Sprinkling the scene
You're doing great.
makes it all clean. Maybe there's a chance for me to go back there. Now that I have some direction, it would sure be nice to be back home where there is love and affection. So if you're listening, God, please don't make it hard. Come on, because I don't know all of them. To know the things in life that are free.
Yeah.
Should we run away? Come on. Or is it better just to let things be? The bottom line is that song came to me, and I'm not a singer. I'm not a singer. But what? I'm at home. I came home.
Say it.
I came home. And you gave me that.
I appreciate you, my sister.
You
Absolutely.
gave me that.
We got your back. The reconnection.
No, seriously, you gave me that.
And many of us that. It's true, Bomani.
I've looked at myself in the mirror all of my life, trying to figure out where I fit in. And today I said unabashedly, unapologetically, that I am an African woman. And I know this. I've known this and didn't even understand what it was, but I know it in my soul. There was the sister at the conference. She said something. She said there are a lot of people here, even in Africa, that don't have Africa in them. And I understood that because I know it's in me. When I meet them, when I meet people from the Caribbean and other places, the kindred spirit is there. And I've always been like that. And my family and friends always thought I was just strange. Like, how do you know those people? What do you mean, how do I know those people? Those people are my family, and I knew it. So I thank you, Bomani. One love.
I appreciate you, my sister. Yes, Carmilla, thank you. Thank you, my sister. You have wonderful energy. And yes, you're home.
That's one of my favorite songs.